Welcome to the Seed platform. Before starting and showing you how easy it is to invest in one of our savings formulas in decentralized finance, we will assist you with your registration.
To create and activate your Seed account, go to the registration link displayed on the screen. This link is also accessible on our website or can be communicated to you by your approved ambassador in the event of affiliation.
On this screen, all fields are mandatory. You must therefore fill in the first name, family name, username which cannot contain special characters, then your email address and of course a password. This password, to be unique and secure, must contain a minimum of 8 characters including at least one capital letter, one symbol, and one number.
Don't forget to accept the terms of use before clicking on Create an account. All the information provided must be real because an identity verification will take place in the next step.
If all the information is correctly entered, you will see a message appear notifying you that an email has been sent to you by the platform on the email address provided. Remember to check your spam if it does not appear in your inbox. If applicable, click the button allowing you to resend the verification email.
This email includes a link to verify the authenticity of your email address. Click on this link to confirm your registration.
It's done. You can now continue setting up your account by logging into the Seed platform via the login button on our website.